In the heart of Umlazi's Ward 83 is Siza Community Care, an organization born from the urgent need to support orphans and the vulnerable, victims of domestic violence, and those affected by the HIV/AIDS epidemic. Founded in 2004, Siza began its journey at a time when the community was facing immense social challenges. With the surge in child-headed households and widespread poverty, Siza stepped in to provide the support that so many desperately needed. Over the years, our work has expanded and our impact has grown, touching the lives of more than 40,000 residents. Siza's mission is simple: to help our community by identifying orphans and vulnerable people, referring them to the appropriate service providers, and offering holistic support that includes home-based care, psychosocial support, and educational assistance. Collaborating with the Department of Social Development, we distribute school uniforms and food parcels to orphans and operate a feeding scheme for children suffering from hunger and malnutrition. Additionally, we offer life skills training and work experience to support unemployed youth in our community. In partnership with Zoe-Life through the Kids Alive at Home project, Siza has implemented the Kids Alive program, which has revolutionized the way we engage with children and caregivers in our community. Through one-on-one counseling, adherence support groups, and the use of child-friendly tools, we've created safe spaces for HIV testing, age-appropriate disclosure, and adherence support, ensuring that children and their caregivers receive the guidance they need. The addition of kids' adherence support groups to our work has made a significant impact on the community. These groups are not just about treatment, they are also about creating a support system that builds understanding, resilience, and a commitment to help, helping every child and caregiver understand the importance of adherence to treatment. Our team have also benefited immensely from the training and support provided through our partnership with Zoe-Life. From enhancing our skills in HIV counseling to mastering the complexities of disclosure and adherence support, we are empowered with confidence and passion to champion the cause of the community we serve. By bridging gaps in access to healthcare, strengthening community support systems, and providing care to those who need it most, we are not just helping, we are transforming lives.